Hey guys, we are at Walmart. I should have started my video off a little earlier today when I had went to the park with the kids, but currently it's just me and Honest. Say hi. Hi. Right here, look. Hello. Hello. It's just me and Honest right now. And we are at Walmart. I wanted to go to Target so bad, but the mans ain't want to go to Target because he already knew what time it was going to Target. Y'all know when we go to Target, it be different. Females, period. We hit Target, baby. We not coming out. We coming out with no money. We coming out with dang on nothing but clothes, shoes, home decor, whatever we want from Target. Biotin, supplements, whatever, baby. The kids, the whole wardrobe, whole room decor, everything at Target. That's why they be like, baby, y'all going to Target, y'all not getting, y'all just gonna be real, the guys, y'all gonna be real unsuccessful. I'm so sorry. But other than that, I'm about to get some bread toast, garlic toast, because this is gonna be my meal tonight. Garlic bread and I'm about to find a freezer dinner, period, because I just don't feel like doing no heavy cooking tonight. Like, I'm not doing no heavy cooking tonight. I'm getting what needs to be got. He said he don't want lasagna, or the kid. Everybody said they don't want lasagna, so I don't know what we're gonna eat with this garlic bread. But I'm finna see chicken parmesan, chicken alfredo. Okay, this seems pretty cool. So we can go ahead and see about this. This chicken alfredo, I'm gonna grab that. It's a family size dinner. And oh really, because I got some of these in my freezer already, which let me scoot over. I like this brand. It's a value pack. It's like cheesy chicken. I would not be getting that one. But the Alfredo chicken, I can do that. I can do the Alfredo chicken in this brand. It's really good. It doesn't take that long to make it all. Stouffer's on the other hand, I think they be having them frozen for years. Okay, so we put Stouffer's back and we're gonna do that brand. I didn't even look at the brand for real, but we're gonna do that brand because I really like that brand when it's like something quick to make with the bread. Something quick to make, nothing too much. Ooh, I can drop my phone, y'all. This how y'all know I'm just a trick. My baby, she's ready to go. She has her trick-or-treating bag. Don't ever play with her. Y'all wish you can. I hear my family. She has her stuff. I hear my family somewhere. I don't know where they at. Family. I hear my family. My family. Yes, I don't know. My family. 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 Yes. Eh? What you got? Say we have new toothbrushes. Brushes. Brand new toothbrushes. Right? Yes. Are you happy? I'm happy. Yes, I know that's right. So, yes. Okay. I do not be vlogging, y'all. I am so sorry because I be on my content, my other content on my page. These so much, but I be on other stuff to where I'm not really vlogging as much. But I'm about to get back into my vlogging, my daily vlogs, because y'all, we be doing so much. And then coming up with Christmas time, family time, as far as Thanksgiving and other different holidays and stuff. I'm definitely gonna be vlogging all of that, so that's gonna be fun to watch. Cause y'all, whew, it's gonna be a bunch. But like I said, I did see my family, and they are right here. Hey y'all. So yes, we ran into them. Here they are. And so, do we need to go down there? Anything? All right. Greg, you just be ready to go. I said it. Yes, Greg be ready to go. I saw a vlog, and I'm like, it is what it is. But anyways, these cookies are cute. This is a Jack Skeleton cookie kit. I would ask my family if they want to try this, but they gonna say no, of course. Well, not the kids are not gonna say no, but Greg, Greg will. Come on, Rollo. Like he's sliding his car so far to the checkout register. It don't make no sense. I told y'all that's why we ain't go to Target. This is crazy because this man, he don't be on none of this stuff. Like, he is just real stern. Like, get this, get that, and let's go. In reality, I can't just do that. I don't want to just get this, that, and let's go. I want to get what I want to get, and I want to go. He got his costume for Halloween, so be looking out and checking out for our Halloween content, and I'll see you guys later on in the vlog.
What we got, Mom?
We're at this restaurant. It is called Ronchos.
What you talking about? I don't even see him. I don't see him.
Houston is Halo. We're going
Bumblebee.
and Bumblebee. And we are going to eat some
Call
yummy
me Halo, Mom.
food.
Mom, call me Halo. Call me Bumblebee. Oh, look, guys. I'm Bumblebee. You know who Joker is? Joker is over there. You know who Joker is?
Our waiter is Joker tonight.
Joker is over there cooking some food.
So guys, we are still waiting for our food, and so now Honest want to be scared. She's really not scared. Are you? No. She's acting like she's scared of the waiter that's dressed as Joker, but that is not true. Because when we walked in here, she was saying hi to the Joker.
I just saw the clown.
Did you?
Yeah, I saw an exit clown. It was like a fighter.
You was scared?
Hey, y'all bumblebees, y'all.
Go ahead. So I can see them.
Yeah, hi, guys. I like staring places like this, Rick.
Huh?
I say I like staring places like this.
You do?
It's crazy.
Because I'm scared of look, guys. Until they scare me.
I know that's right.
Until they scare him.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh, looks like our food is coming out right as we speak.
Have it all the
Food has came out. So far looking so good. We got added tomato. I should have got tomatoes added on mine too. We're waiting for Houston food.
For what?
How do
He passed me a napkin.
Huh?
A napkin.
You love this?
Thank you. You eat your food. You don't want to eat food. Why you ain't eating?
No, he is the Joker.
You ain't hungry?
Huh?
You not hungry?
I don't think about everything. Where's the phone?
What? You can add no sausage to yourself?
Not this time around.
What about this turn, Mom?
That's your lure. I'm good. Yeah, what about it?
No.
What?
You get paper towel too? You get another napkin.
You scraped them tacos.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna play with them. I took the first one. It was cool. I said I ain't do nothing to it.
Only on the right? Yeah.
Want to go ahead and sit?
No, I'm okay. Thanks. Yep.
Hi.
Hi, Joker. Hi, Joker. Hi, Joker.
Hey,
Hi, Joker.
this is hot. Fire.
Mom.
That shit is so. I mean, that's so hot.
Fat to some hot sauce. Yeah. Ghost pepper. Ghost pepper. That shit gonna run your throat.
Burn my tongue
I'm
red.
good.
You good or what?
I'm good with the tail lobster.
You want half of this? I'm not gonna have it all. You full?
Everybody got
I
some.
finished all this water. So my stomach full. Just eating light.
I ain't full yet.
Look, you ain't really eating that much. You're eating a little bit. That means to eat up while y'all can. I'm about to be out for a little while. Till we run to the next fun spot.
Well, I want to go to make a bit. Okay, I've never been there since I turned 5.
You was there. You went there for your birthday.
I've never been there since I turned 5. I want to go to I mean, not every area. Yeah, maybe. I never went to Maiden Bed. So can I go since
Eat your food.
It's a cheaper to you, Will. If we can try to do it, you're going to get a grimace. Huh? A grimace. You're going to get a grimace. What?
I'm trying to get
It's
food. Trying to help you. Man.
Rice and beans.
Man.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. Yeah. Stop talking about it. Now.
Honest in her shenanigans.
Yes.
Mommy, I want
No, it don't.
That was you.
Let honesty. Stop. Nope.
Eat it out.
I'm gonna eat it out. It's not yours. Nope. Stop. Let me get another fry.
My mommy and I got with
Rice and cheese.
I don't know.
So we are trunk or treat hopping. We done came. I don't know if this is a school or if this is a church or whatever, but I know we finna get out and we finna go trunk or treat. They got some cars set up out here and we are ready. Are we ready?
Of course I'm ready right now.